Hello and welcome. Today we'll be creating a neuron with just household items. So the items that I will be presenting next are the items that we will be using to create this neuron. So I will be using a nectarine cut in half. I would also be using some sweet tart ropes, some panini shells, one long pipe cleaner, and a pipe cleaner and cut in half with some beads at the end. So now that you see all the materials that we will be using, the sweet tart ropes will be used as dendrites. The nectarine cut in half will be our cell body, which is a soma with the nucleus and the cell membrane. And our pipe cleaner will be our axon. Our panini shells will be the myelin sheet. And these two pipe cleaners will be our terminal buttons. Okay, so to start off, we're gonna start with our dendrites. Dendrites are used to receive incoming signals from other neurons that then they are transferred to the cell body, which is the soma. So dendrites don't have a specific shape. Some of them have more branches, some of them don't. A good example is like trees. They're not all the same. They're different shapes of it and forms. So these are our dendrites. Now that we have our dendrites, we're gonna use our nectarine that I showed you previously as our cell body. So we place that in the middle. So this is a soma and this is a cell membrane. The cell body takes all the information from the dendrites and then puts it in the axon, which we will be using our pipe cleaner as our axon. So there is some fat myelin sheath in our axon, and those help as an insulator material that prevents from the signal from degrading. So like I mentioned earlier, our paninis will be our myelin sheet. So we put that we use that past the pipe cleaner, which is our axon, through the middle of the paninis. And we place that down there. So we have our dendrites, cell body, axon, and myelin sheet. So lastly, we have our terminal buttons. So the terminal buttons, then the terminal buttons then translate all the information to neurotransmitters. So these connect to neurotransmitters to transfer the information to other neurons. So we are going to add these. So I'm gonna put it at the end of the axon. So I'm just gonna go around this so it can look like little branches. I'm using 2, so we go around. And then we place back. We place back our axon. So we have our dendrites here. we have our axon here, our myelin sheet, terminal buttons, cell body, which is the soma, and cell membrane, which is the outer part of the nucleus. Sorry. So the cell body, which is the soma, is composed of two things: the cell membrane, which is the outer part of the nectarine, and the nectarine seed is our nucleus. So yes, this is my project of how I created my neuron with just household items. So this is a neuron with just household items. And thank you for watching.